Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the Arduino simulator. Sometimes many people haven't the Arduino kit, but they want to practice some programming before handling the actual physical kit. So you can practice the coding and make the circuits on the virtual simulators. Here in this video I will show you how to create your virtual circuit and how can you directly test your code on the virtual circuits. So let's get started. Before that, a small request to you: if you new on this channel, then please subscribe the channel and click on the like button if you like these videos, and share it with your friends also. So let's start. First of all, you need to open the tinkercad.com website. This is a website where you can test your virtual Arduino kits. So let's start. After opening this website, you have to create your account. So without creating account you cannot use this site. So just click on this join button, and then you can create here your personal account, and you can log in with your sign up with your email or your Gmail account. So here I have already created my account, so I'm just directly logged in into my account. Okay, so just I'm opening again home page, and then I'm clicking on this join now button. Okay, from here you can create an account, but I have already my own account, and here you can see some other options also. And just I'm logging into my account. Okay, after logging you can see before that you have to select the circuits from here. Okay, and then click on create new circuits, and after that the empty screen will open here. Okay, here you can see the different buttons on the screen. So first of all, this is your project name. You can change it by clicking on it. Arduino virtual test. Okay, so next is these are the buttons which will help you to design circuits. Okay, so first of all, this button is used to rotate your device, and for example here I am taking a resistor. Okay, this is a resistor and we can rotate it. Okay, then this button is used in your workplace. Okay, here, and this is a undo and this is a redo button. Then this is a node tool which is used on your design. So this button is used to hide or show the nodes. Here you can choose the colors of wires, and here you can select the wire types. Then after clicking on code, the code window will be opened here, and then you can click on the start simulation if you want to test this code on the circuit board which you have designed here. Then you can export your design in .brd format, and then you can share it from here. Then here you can select the components, either basic components or you can select all the components. Okay, here I'm selecting just basic components. Then you can see these are the basic components here. Okay, I'm just creating a simple design. Here I'm taking a Arduino. You have to just drag and drop this board, okay, here, this board, and I'm giving it the name, okay. Then I'm moving it to straight, okay. Here this is a board, and now I'm taking a vibration motor here, okay, and I'm just connecting it. This is a negative, so I will connect, okay, just wait. Here, and here, okay, I have connected it. Then I'm giving it the power supply, okay. So I'm providing it the 5-volt power supply. Like this you can create your designs, okay. In the code button you can see here the blocks and the design, okay. Then you can click here block plus text, okay. And another thing is, you can see here just text only, so other components will be hidden. And this is, okay, you can see the vibration motor is on. I haven't done any specific code for this, just a simple code which is already written. Just I have connect this vibration motor, not doing any specific design. This is for understanding purpose only. So that's it from this video. In the next video I will show you different types of the project. So please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends also. Thanks for watching.